I'm a hoarder. People say that I'm a hoarder. Okay, I'm going to open all of my boxes. Oh, first, let's use this title. Use it. And then what this? Okay. This one. Open. No, not that. No. No, no, no. 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 God damn it. I have so much stuff. Oh, I need that. Arrange. Use. Hey! Plus 15 ratings. Next. What else? What this? Invitational gift pack. Okay. Open. Nice. Silicon carbide. Why do I have so much medkit? The fuck, where this came from? What is this? Raven chest. Open. Hey, nano crystalline core. I need that. Quick store. Okay, so this box, I'm not gonna open the gold, whatever that is. Junk attachment. I think I need to open the armor plate. Where is it? Not here. Where's the box cabinet? Here. See, I have so much of this. I don't know why I don't open it. Honestly, I know why I don't want to open it. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's... What in the fucking hell? I thought I opened this. Jesus Christ. No wonder I'm behind talent points. Am I? Hold on. I think I'm not. How many talent points I have? Holy shit! 44,000. Motherfucker. Sorry. I didn't say that. Where is it? Here. Alloy. Holy moly. I was always short of accessory manual. I didn't know I have so much in here. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Okay, I need to open this one and then this one. I'm not gonna open this silver bag because I don't know. I don't want it. So shut up. Don't ask me why. What this? Okay, I don't need that. I don't need that. This one, I don't need that. I have so much food. This, since I have so much talent points pa naman and I cannot use all of it, so I think I'm not gonna open it yet. This one, nope. Raven supplies, I have 27 of this and then 20. Holy shit! God, I'm such a hoarder. Okay, I'm gonna open that. What this? Accessory blueprint. Why I have this one stored? I'm short of this. God damn. What this? Armor plates. Supply crate. Yeah, I need that. Curry. Let's go over to my other cabinet. Where is it? Another box cabinet, which I don't open. I don't know why. Okay, I need to open this. What this? Comp contribution points. Yeah, I fucking need this. Yeah, I think so. I'm short of this one. What this? Gala souvenir. One this I have comp contribution. I need that. What is this? Assault on Eagles. What this one? Raven gift. What this one? No, I don't need that. Oh, gold. A small bag that contains gold. Where to get this? Where did I buy this one? God damn. Wilderness. Oh, I think it's a no. It's a event reward. Mission pack. Basic materials selection pack to blah 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 materials blah, blah. Guaranteed. Oh, so I could get all of this. But I don't really need materials right now. I have so much. A luxury dining hall thank you pack. Oh, I need this ionic membrane. I think so. Yeah. What is this? Gene Ragent. I don't need that for a moment because I stopped crafting genes because I fucking hate it. I spent so much gold and so many materials, and I'm still at C. I don't know, C rank. I don't know. Look, I have so much of this before, and I use all of it and all of my materials. Oh, medkit. What the fuck? Oh, okay. I'll put it here. I don't need this much. Also, this repair whatever it is. Repair parts. Yeah, I don't need that much. I don't need you guys in my inventory. Why the fuck are you in my inventory? Also, why I cannot sort this? Plant fiber? Don't tell me I'm out of plant fiber. That's fucking impossible. Where is it? God damn. Where's... Okay. I'll put you there for now. Okay. Let the unboxing begin. Open. God damn, I don't need materials. Okay. This one. No, I don't need... Okay, let's start. Gift of the Ravens. Open all of 20 of it. Let's see what I can get. Okay, let's see what I want first. I honestly want this alloy pack and then the nanocrystalline chip maybe. Also this ionic membrane. I'll see. I'm not gonna expect so much because I know I'm so unlucky with this kind of thing. Okay, let's see. 20 quantity, open, confirm. 5, 6, 2, silver, nothing. Fuck. Okay, open. Ionic membrane. Okay, I like that one. This. Can I get a key? I want. Oh, I don't have the ultimate chest though. Maybe this one. Exquisite key. Okay. Open. God damn it, armor plate. Raven gift. Okay, 3 of it. Alloy. I don't fucking need that. I have so much of that. 27. Confirm. 11, 3, silver. No, not even the ionic membrane. Fuck this game, man. Okay. Camp contribution. Oh, can I get the mask? I like this one. Actually, kind of scary, but I want to have it. Let's open. Let's see. Silicone. God damn. Okay, this one guaranteed, right? Yeah. Camp contribution. Okay, let's skip that one first. This. What this. Okay, this one first. What is this? No, I don't need that. Sign in pack. Okay. I think I'm gonna open this. All of this. 40. Level 1, 2, 7. Okay. Contribution, max 1. Okay. This one. Oh, let's open this first. 30. Okay. Oh wow, I can get everything? Oh my god. Holy shit. I didn't notice. I don't know, did it state that I could get everything? I didn't notice. Anyways, let's open 99 armor plate supply crate. Let's see what we can get. Confirm. 187 armor plate head. Okay, 159, 169 for shoe, 177 for armor. This one. Okay, let's open this. 3 1 3 5 4. Okay. What else? Oh, this one. This, I fucking hate this alloy pack. You know why? I always get the protective alloy all the time. Like every time I get like an alloy pack, every time I open it, I get this fucking shit. I'm so fucking tired of it. I don't need it. I have so much of protective alloy. I need the accessory manual. God, please, please. RNG God, please. Bless me. Open. Please, accessory manual. 6, 7A. That's not bad. At least. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna turn off now. Bye. Thank you.